Welcome to Evidential. Tonight we delve deep into a fluid dynamics examination of the Lake Nyos disaster, a silent volcanic tragedy, and explain the disaster that killed thousands of people and animals in their sleep. On August 21st, 1986, something unimaginable happened in the village of Nyos, Cameroon. In just one night, 1,746 people and 3,500 livestock slept and never woke up again. There were no flames, no smoke, and no pleas for help. The mystery to the villagers, it felt like a curse unleashed from the supernatural. Meanwhile, the rest of the world regarded it as a puzzling phenomenon. However, for a forensic engineer, it spelled a catastrophic breakdown of gas solubility. The geological engine. Lake Nyos sits at an elevation of approximately 1,091 meters above sea level, cradled inside a volcanic crater in the Oku volcanic field of northwestern Cameroon. Magma beneath the lake consistently leaks carbon dioxide into the water. Typically, this gas escapes gradually. However, Nyos had its own story to tell. It is not an ordinary body of water. It is what limnologists, scientists who study inland waters, call a meromictic lake. The physics of pressure. The lake boasts a depth exceeding 200 meters. Here, the pressure from the water is staggering. Using the formula force divided by area, we find that the pressure below was enough to keep carbon dioxide trapped in a dangerously saturated state. The soda bottle effect. Imagine the lake as a massive pressurized soda bottle. It embodied a limnic system caught in an unstable state. All it required was a catalyst to set the events in motion. The trigger. On that fateful August night, a minor landslide or internal tremor agitated the water layers. This initiated cavitation. The carbon dioxide swiftly transitioned from liquid to gas. The eruption. In a violent explosion, a massive plume of water and gas surged 100 meters into the sky. An astonishing 1.6 million tons of carbon dioxide were unleashed in mere seconds. The invisible gas river. Being 1.5 times denser than air, carbon dioxide didn't rise. Instead, it flowed along the ground, cascading down the mountainside at 50 kilometers per hour, creating an invisible and suffocating river. Forensic gas dynamics. As the gas flooded the valleys, it displaced all the oxygen. The victims had no time to react or awaken. This was simple asphyxiation on a catastrophic scale. The evidence forensic findings revealed no signs of flames or chemical injuries. It was merely the silent clinical replacement of breathable air with volcanic CO2. The solution. Currently, engineers have implemented degassing pipes to avert future accumulations. Through the science of pressure relief, we have tamed the killer lake. Conclusion. The tragedy of Lake Nyos wasn't an enigma. It served as an enlightening lesson in gas dynamics. History may often be quiet, but the data continually resonates. Subscribe to Evidential. We transform folklore into forensic investigations. Which mystery shall we dissect next?